Welcome to our channel. Today we how to disable PHP-FPM on a cPanel VPS, complete guide step by step clearly. To disable PHP-FPM on your cPanel VPS, start by logging into your cPanel account. Once logged in, navigate to the software section. Click on the Multi-PHP Manager icon. In the Multi-PHP Manager interface, locate the domain for which you want to disable PHP-FPM. Select the checkbox next to the domain. On the right side of the page, look for the PHP-FPM option. Click on the drop-down menu beside it. Choose the option labeled Disable. Once you have made your selection, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Click the Apply button to save your changes. You should see a confirmation message indicating that PHP-FPM has been disabled for the selected domain. Next, open your terminal or SSH client to connect to your VPS. Enter your VPS's IP address and the SSH port. Log in using your root credentials or the appropriate user credentials. Once connected to the command line, type the command to stop the PHP-FPM service. This command is typically system-stop PHP-FPM or service PHP-FPM stop, depending on your system configuration. After stopping the service, you may want to disable it from starting on boot. Use the command system-disable PHP-FPM or config PHP-FPM off. To ensure that all configurations are saved correctly, restart the web server. Execute the command to restart Apache or Nginx, typically system-restart HTTPD or service Nginx restart. Finally, check your website to confirm that it is functioning properly without PHP-FPM. Your cPanel VPS is now configured without PHP-FPM. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.